Hello, WCCUSD community. I want to share some of the events that are happening this month. October is Filipino American History Month. This month commemorates the first recorded presence of Filipinos in the United States on October the 18th, 1587. More than 1,400 students in West Contra Costa Unified School District identify as Filipino. We recognize the achievements and contributions of Filipino Americans in West Contra Costa and throughout the United States of America. And we thank you. We look forward to celebrating the cultural enrichments and historical contributions of Filipino Americans to our nation and our school district. And we hope to share activities and programs happening in our schools to bring awareness of the significant role Filipino Americans have played in American history. October is also College Awareness Month. High school seniors are required to complete a free application for federal student aid or the California Dream Act application as part of the new requirement in the California Education Code. There are 2,117 seniors in our district, and we need your help to ensure that all seniors complete one application by March the 2nd, 2023. From October to March, the College and Career Department, schools, and counselors will host several events for high school seniors to complete financial aid applications. The first event is College and Career Night on October the 13th at El Cerrito High School. Visit www.wccusd.net/college and career for more information and resources. I'm also grateful for the opportunity to celebrate our educators. It takes a village to raise a child and to grow this blossoming school community we call West Contra Costa. Our educators have overcome unprecedented times, and I want to recognize the endurance, fortitude, and grace it takes to show up every day for our students and families. Our country is in the midst of a teacher shortage, and WCCUSD is no exception. I want to invite you to our Human Resources Workshop on Thursday, October the 13th, from 6 to 7 p.m. via Zoom. We'll cover how you can join our Village of Educators as a teacher or a substitute. You can register for this event using the link below. Our district is continuing to build our community with dedicated and innovative staff members. Come grow with us here at WCCUSD and embark on a new journey. See you there.